Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Such a delightful, charming couple all the way from Australia came to cook together with me. We had such fun together. We made mie goreng ayam, bumbu genep, besiap basa kalas, cukur urap, sambal matah, sambal tomat, and lumpia. Thank you so much for coming. Looking forward to cooking together again soon. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur suksema!